All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 long wheelbase high top with 16,000 miles. Beautiful white with black vinyl interior. AM FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage to go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. This corner of the bumper does have some heavy scuffing, as you can see there. Now you can just buy this one piece. It's like 78 bucks. All right, put it on. It's got another heavy scuff here. Thought it was a crack, but it's not, about 2 inches. All right, you can just buy that section. Don't have to buy any of the other sections. All right, guys. The rest of it looks pretty good. The hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire third here is over 10-30 seconds. This door does have a heavy scratch right here from here to here. 3, 6, about 9 inches. Got a heavy dent here in this quarter. From here to there, definitely 10 or more inches. Heavy scratch here. It's got a few dings from the inside of this door, from the inside of this panel out. It'll be seen, yeah, one right there. You can see it there, another one there, a third one over there. There's a fourth one right there, another one right here. All right, that's pretty much it. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire third. It's over 12-30 seconds. Jump into this vehicle real quick. Check it out, power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Check that out. Does come with one key fob combo. Check out pictures for more details. Alright, turn it on. Alright, you got your AM FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got just cup holders and stuff right even right there. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see it does have an airbag light and a tire pressure light on, and your mileage of 16,408 pretty much completes the tour. Boom, keeping it moving. Keeping it moving there. Got some scuffing on this panel here. Boom, coming around. Rear bumper seems to have a dent back here. And there, another one here. Looks like it took a hit back here. Raised up this bit, rear bumper a bit. Alright. Pretty good. These doors do swing out all the way. Likewise here. Boom. This is what your cargo area looks like. Wow. Very nice. These wheel wells look pretty decent. The floor is a little scratched up, but no big deal. Here's this door. Looks good. This paneling looks pretty good. On this side, your paneling does have like a crack right here. So you can see. Might want to get one of those or just leave it be. Doesn't really matter. Construction guys, you know. Yeah, we got a heavy scuffing, about 3 to 4 inches. Some more heavy scuffing here on the wheel wells there. All right, here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Little hubcap cover there, beat up. Tire thread is over 10-30 seconds. Heavy scratch right here, as you can see it. Oh, that's some more there. Boom. The rest looks pretty good. What your rear cargo area looks like, very nice. Or your side cargo area. Very nice. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire third is at 9-30 seconds. I'm gonna check it out. My boy put a ladder back here for me. Check out this roof. Got some scuffing here. Or actually a heavy scratch here coming around. Some scuffing, some more heavy scratch here. All right, let's check out the roof. Let's see what we got. And the roof actually looks pretty good. Some scuffing here. That's not a big deal. The rest of it looks pretty nice. I don't see any problems up there. All right. Showed you that. Everything here is good. All the stuff. Folks, once again, we do have backhoe. Here we go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 16,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.